Structuring Asana effectively involves organizing tasks, projects, and teams to streamline workflows and improve productivity. Here's how to structure Asana. Create projects. Start by creating projects for different initiatives, teams, or areas of work within your organization. Each project represents a specific goal or objective. Use sections or columns. Within each project, use sections or columns to organize tasks by stages, priority, status, or category. This helps to break down work into manageable chunks and provides clarity on what needs to be done next. Assign tasks. Assign tasks to team members and set due dates to ensure accountability and track progress. Clearly define responsibilities and expectations for each task. Utilize subtasks and dependencies. Break down complex tasks into smaller subtasks and use dependencies to show task relationships and sequence. This helps to manage dependencies and ensure tasks are completed in the correct order. Set up templates. Create templates for recurring processes or projects to save time and maintain consistency across workflows. Templates can include standard task lists, assignees, due dates, and descriptions. Implement custom fields and tags. Use custom fields and tags to add additional context or categorize tasks within your project. This allows for better organization and filtering of tasks. Encourage collaboration. Encourage collaboration by using comments, mentions, and attachments to provide feedback, ask questions, and share updates directly within tasks.